Hello, my name is Steve Hammond and I'm a product manager for Barben Analyzer Technology. Today we're going to talk a little bit about our 551 quick change nut lock pH sensor. One of the common questions that we get is how does the pH sensor mount into the process? What's common that you see out in the field is a threaded pH sensor such as this 546. This sensor uses a 3/4 inch NPT thread to mount into the process. So if I was going to mount it in something like a pipe tee, you can envision here that I would thread the sensor directly into the pipe tee. And one of the things that you see here as I thread it in, I'd be using a wrench, I'd be putting torque on the body, and I'd get some twisting of the cable here. And this isn't always desirable. This is one of our 551 sensors mounted into a pipe tee. Now this sensor uses a little bit different mounting configuration. The sensor uses a union nut to secure the sensor in place. It uses an O-ring seal and a small flange. The flange is what holds the sensor in place with the union nut on top of it. Now, there's some advantages of this type of design. First off, we can do the nut lock adapter in a variety of materials. So in metals, we do 316 stainless steel, titanium, and Hastelloy C276. This design can handle some very high pressures, up to 300 psi. We also do this in plastics with CPVC, Kynar, and PEEK as standard, and we also offer a hand-tight option for the union nut. The 551 sensor comes in a variety of different lengths. You can see some of the options here. So if you need to fit further down through the tee or through a flange or through a pipe nipple to get the tip of the sensor down in the flow stream, these additional lengths can help you out. But if you need to go even further into your process, we have some additional options. We'd recommend something like this. This is our 547 variable length hot tap adjustable sensor. And you can see the compression fitting on this sensor can slide up and down the sensor body to allow for greater insertion depth. So the 551 sensor, a great solution for nice, easy installation into things such as sample lines. It also allows for very quick and easy removal of the sensor from the process for cleaning, calibration, and eventual replacement. Thanks a lot, and thanks for considering Barben Analyzer Technology.